My name is Edward Iviofor. I'm from Hungary, and I'm a car journalist and a car engineer from Hungary. This was the EMC testing area what we just visited now, and it's really interesting and impressive what we just seen. The size of all this was really awesome. I have been in a lot of car factories in Europe already, and I'm sure there they absolutely do something same, but I never seen, they didn't let me see something like this. So it's really impressive, and this was the place where they're testing the sounds of the car and the EMC markers.
I'm the marketing director for Auto Group, which is one of the oldest companies in Armenia. First impression was that everything is very transparent, and you can watch every single detail that is going on during the production. Of course, the robotization is expectable. Everyone would expect that lots of robots will work on the quality check on the production line, and etc. Human factor is very important, which makes a trust to the engines that we have just seen. When probably just the engine that is going to work in Armenia was just produced here. The volumes are very impressive. 300 engines is a target of each day, and around 120,000 target for the whole year.
Here, Mr. Rodrigo Teles from Muxico Market. For us, it's a pleasure to be here. We like a lot about the AUV segment that is very, very comfortable, and also is a very perfect product for our market. We expect to grow this segment in Mexico market, so with the new plan we can support the production lines and the new product that very good quality performance for we can compete with the traditional market.
Good morning, dear friends. We are coming from Serbia, from a company who is official representatives for Foton vehicles for Balkan Peninsula. Your new plant is really amazing. Year by year you are making progress in the production of your vehicles. That means last year you have a progress for more than 100%. It's really amazing.
Hi, my name is Ana Gabriela Oquendo. I'm from Revista En Curva de Ecuador. For me, it's a real pleasure to be here visiting Beijing and visiting all the innovative places related with Foton. I visited yesterday the Foton Cummins and today Foton Aumann. I really liked a lot to know about the technology, to know about the innovation, the automatization in different processes. Also to see the people working here, they are really specialized techniques and mechanics. I don't know exactly what kind of techniques, but they are really specialized workers, and I really enjoy to see the process, to see how a truck can be built and also how an engine can be built. So it's a really amazing experience for all the people that come from all around the world.
Foton, easy move.